Hello, I'm John Henderson from SuperSteer and Henderson's lineup. And today we've got Rod Flint here from Roadmaster. He's a good friend and we've worked with Roadmaster for over 25 years. It's been a really great relationship. We've been able to work on a lot of projects together. Just happy to have Rod here today.
Once or twice a year I try to travel up here and visit with the SuperSteer family and promote our relationship of product development, and me and John talk daily on product shipments of products for Henderson, and I share the same passion as far as made in the USA and keeping it made here with US craftsmanship.
This bar would fit a Ford F53 coach. We put a sample bar here. This is an 1.25 inch diameter bar. The factory bar that this is taking the place of would be 1 3/8 inches. So it's not a lot bigger than this 1.25 inch bar. So it's a substantial increase in strength. And
pretty much adding 2 times to 3 times the roll stiffness as the diameter increases. So it's a substantial increase in handling and safety factor.
It's nice to hear back from the customers too that they used to be totally exhausted at the end of the day, and now they can drive and feel comfortable, and like you say, anybody can drive it.
Roadmaster and Henderson, we've pretty much a free replacement on all of sway bar. Ever breaks a replacement, we stand behind USA made.
The importance for me personally, and I know my brother feels the same way, our dad was a World War II bomber pilot, and I know a big part of the reason that we won that war was our manufacturing ability. I just feel it's really important not only to keep jobs in this country, but just to be able to be self-supporting and do things on our own. It's just something that we've always felt strongly about. So
I value the USA made product. Roadmaster really stands behind made in the USA. We buy all USA made machines. Our bending machines that bend these sway bars are made right in the West Coast in California, and it's some of the best bending machines on the market. Being able to just keep it here in the USA means a lot. We take pride in everything we do. Every one of these is like a piece of art that we've made, and we stand behind it. We back the material, we back the life cycle of it, the durability of it, and I like working with Henderson with the feedback and the durability and the fitment of the bar, so we can continually improve our products.
And then with COVID too, we found that it's been a pretty good advantage because we're not waiting months for a shipping container to arrive that's sitting off the coast somewhere. So
yeah, the costs have just flown through the roof, and they've added these tariffs on the bringing parts in, and then it sits for months and staying with Midwest steel. This bar is from the United States. These bushings and sleeves are made right at Roadmaster, right in Washington, so we really value keeping it here in the USA.
Well, one of the things we see quite often is when people go to purchase an RV, they look at the floor plan and the colors and how things are laid out, and they don't really test drive them, or maybe they run them around the block with no water or hardly any fuel in them, and then when they get them all loaded up with all their belongings and full of water and towing a car, and you get out on the freeway and you're in a tight space and the wind's blowing, it can be kind of nerve-wracking and scary. So you made a really large purchase, and if you can't handle it out on the road, or you're not comfortable, you're not enjoying it, it's a big investment. So if we can help people feel safe and get some enjoyment out of it, it's a good feeling to be able to help people with that.
Definitely. So I've enjoyed the partnership, and look forward to many years with all the Henderson family, and the daily phone calls. I enjoy it. So glad to work with you.
Yeah, you too, Rod. Thank you.
Thank you.